So today I'm going to be sharing with you the makeup products that I purchased during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. Now I know that was last month, but I've been testing out these products to make sure they work for our mature skin. And it's all about color. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I'm over 50 years old, and you guys, I have been dying to share these makeup products with you because I've been actually secretly loving them. Now, I know the Sephora sale was last month, but you know what? Better late than never. Now, I have the majority of my complexion products on today. I took a different turn during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. I wanted to experiment with color, with different makeup brands that I've never really tried before. So I got some Viseart, some Glossier, some Makeup Forever, and I just couldn't wait to dive into this video. Let's start. Okay, if you're curious about any of the products that I'm wearing right now, I'll be sure to list them down in the description box below. Now, if you do click on those links, it does help out my channel a little bit. Those are conveniently put down there for you in case you're interested in any of those products. Now for foundation today, I'm actually wearing the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Now I tested this out a year ago, wasn't really in love with it, to be honest with you. It is really pricey. I think it retails for $43, but it does have a fantastic shade range, and I'm in the shade 1Y08 in case you're interested in the shade. When I tested it out last year, it felt kind of drying on my face, but you know what? Our complexions change from time to time, so I figured let's give it another try and see what we think. So far, it looks really nice. For blush, I just went in with my favorite blush to date right now, high-end. It's from House Labs. It is the Color Fuse blush in the shade Dragon Fruit Days. Absolutely love this beautiful hot pink color. I think it's so vibrant. It's so beautiful. It just lays gorgeous on mature skin. It is a matte formula. It's not going to add any additional texture to your complexion. It just has a very smoothing quality on my skin. Absolutely love it, and I think it's worth every penny. I've never purchased anything from Viseart. Now, Viseart is a French, is it French? Yes, it's a French makeup company, and I know a lot of you have suggested that I test out some of their eyeshadows, and I did. There's several that are available on the Sephora website, but the one that really drew my eye, oh my gosh, is the Paris Love Letter. I love everything about Viseart. I had no idea how much I would be obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. Now, it's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, and it's a mix of mattes and shimmers. I know it sounds like every other eyeshadow palette that I've reviewed here on my channel, but the quality, the packaging, everything from top to bottom is fantastic. Now, the price is super pricey, but these eyeshadow formulas are made in France. And I know a lot of the good eyeshadows are formulated in Italy, but I don't know what the French are doing, but it is absolutely stunning. I love the packaging, how you can just open it up and it flips up like that. You've got a nice mirror right through here. It just, to me, screams spring. It screams summer. It has all these gorgeous neutral matte shades with these fantastic shimmers that are like the most smooth, buttery shimmers I have ever put on my lids. It doesn't show the texture of your lids. It's just amazing. And I have been playing with this eyeshadow palette ever since I received it. And I can firmly say that you can come up with so many beautiful everyday looks, but also have a glammed up smoky eye. So what I want to do is create a beautiful springtime look, and we are going to play with color this time. I'm not going to be all neutral girl today. I am wearing lots of color right now, so I thought it would be fun to dive into a fun eyeshadow look. But yes, let's go ahead and grab some brushes. What I want to start out with is this second shade through here, and I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush and just go ahead and go all over the lid with it. I find that this is the best shade as an all over lid color, and I'm telling you, the formula is so impressive, so good. I went on the Viseart website and they were having their 40% off spring sale. Oh, I went to town on that website. I got several eyeshadow palettes for 40% off. Like I said, I'm just super impressed with Viseart. I'm going to take a smaller tapered brush, and I want to go in with this beautiful pinkish shade through here. It's almost like a salmon color. Now, I'm not going to lie, there's a little bit of kickback, but you know what? The formula is so buttery. It just really looks fantastic on the lids. The blendability is just shockingly easy. I used to get so overwhelmed with big eyeshadow palettes, but for some reason, you can come up with so many wonderful color stories with this eyeshadow palette. And you can just do 2 shades like this, call it a day, 2 and done. Beautiful, simple look. I'm gonna take a smaller angular brush, my A502, and this deep chocolate brown, tap off the excess. I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it on the outer thirds of my eye. I really wanna deepen up that crease. And to me, this is the most absolute stunning chocolate brown that really applies effortlessly. If you are like a little intimidated by eyeshadow palettes, I'm telling you, this is so user-friendly, so beginner-friendly. You literally can't mess up with this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade through here, and I'm gonna run it along my lower lash line for like an eyeliner look. I typically don't like to put eyeliner on my lower lash line, but I like to smoke it out with like a soft color, just to give that lower lash line some definition. Let's play with color. I promised you color. I'm going to give you color. I'm gonna go out of my comfort zone, and guess what? I'm gonna go in with this bright, vibrant lime green, and I'm gonna show you how you can wear this shade every day. I'm gonna take it on my finger. I've never felt a quality of eyeshadow this buttery, and I'm talking better than Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona, but I want to swatch it for you right here. Look how vibrant that is. I'm going to turn my light down. Look at the vibrancy of that. Check out this shade. This lavender is sublime. The lavender is absolutely stunning. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm ready to put this color onto my lids. I like using a finger. I find it the most effective way, especially when you apply a shimmer to your lid. And I'm going to pop it right in the center of my lid. There's no glitter in it. That is the most astounding part, but it just literally makes your lids look like glass with that vibrant color. Can I wear green? I am today. But it's just so fun to play with this palette and come up with so many different looks. I've truly enjoyed it. And whoever suggested this eyeshadow palette for me, I think it was several months ago, I am so sorry I slept on it. I had no idea the quality of Viseart. And I know they've been around for at least a decade. And you know what? It's not like a loud lime green. It's very wearable. Now I'm just gonna go in with that first brush. I'm just gonna blend where we applied it. Isn't that stunning? Don't be afraid of color. You know what? It's makeup, it washes off. I wanna use this really light champagne shade through here, and I'm gonna pop it in the inner corner just to brighten up that inner corner. And I'm just gonna pop it right up through here so the light can catch it. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and we're gonna be testing out the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Twist and Light Luminous Finishing Powder. Yeah, this thing. All right, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I just went ahead and applied some eyeliner and mascara. Of course, I tight lined my upper waterline with my absolute favorite. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Grip Eyeliner in brown denim. This is my holy grail. It's drugstore. It's amazing. It doesn't smudge onto my lower lash line. And then I just drew, not a tiny wing, but a big ass wing. Can I say that? And then I drew a wing with the Stay Perfect liquid eyeliner from number 7 in, again, brown. I am just loving brown eyeliner, you guys. This is my go-to. It's not as stark and dramatic as black, but I think it's subtle and very elegant. And for mascara, guys, I found a sample, the little travel size of the Benefit Roller Lash. This used to be my all-time favorite mascara back in the day, but now there's so many fantastic drugstore mascaras. The L'Oreal Telescopic Lift is one of my all-time favorites, as well as the Lash and Roll mascara from e.l.f. You know, that's another holy grail of mine, but you know, use it if you got it. That's all I have to say. But I was really pleasantly surprised at how good this mascara is. Okay, and in my preparation for this video, I totally forgot to put concealer on. It's kind of too late now, huh? But you know what? That foundation did a great job. But I have a product from Rare Beauty that's actually can go over your concealer to brighten up that under eye area. So I figured let's pop it on. It is the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. Now this retails for $24. It comes in 6 shades. I'm in the shade, I can't see that. Wow, I am blind. I'm in the shade light medium, but this is a fantastic little under eye brightener to put on after concealer. You can put it on the high points of your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on because I don't have any concealer on. It's got like the metal cooling tip right through there. I'm just gonna put a couple of dots right through there, let it simmer. But yeah, totally forgot concealer, you guys. Otherwise, I would have used my favorite so far, the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Concealer. Absolutely been loving this. Such a good concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and take my ring finger, and this just brightens up that under eye area so beautifully. It really blends. It doesn't settle into fine lines. I mean, instantly, it wakes up my eye. Wow, this is gorgeous. I know. And you know what? I think $24, it's kind of pricey, but it's multi-purpose. You can use it under your eyes to brighten up that area. You can use it as a highlighter to brighten up the high points of your face. But this is just stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's glowy without being sparkly. I don't like the Rare Beauty concealer, but this Positive Light Under Eye Brightener is totally worth it. Now that I have my concealer on, I want to set it with the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Twist and Light Luminous Finishing Powder. Now this comes in 4 shades. I picked up the shade Light. This retails for $45. And what's really cool about this product is you get 3 powders in one convenient container. And you can actually control how much you apply. And you know how you do loose powder, it just goes flying everywhere. This is super cool because you have it all separated, and once you twist it, it just sifts out the perfect amount of powder of each shade. It's a 3-in-1 ultra fine loose finishing powder that blurs, color corrects, and illuminates the complexion. It contains squalane, so if you have normal to dry skin like I do, you will find it hydrating, radiant finish. But what you do is you twist and click, and it'll deposit the powder. Do you see the pink and the blue and the translucent? You take your brush and you swirl it. I like to set right in my most porous areas, right through here. So the translucent shade is supposed to unify. The pink is supposed to revive your complexion. And of course, the blue is supposed to color correct. Now that it's getting warmer here in Tennessee, I'm looking for a really good powder that's not gonna be drying, but also, hello, brighten up the complexion, blur, color correct. I knew instantly the first time I used it, I was blown away how smooth my face looked. The powder is so microfine, it just does an amazing job on the complexion. So the last product that I purchased during the sale was from Glossier. Now, if you didn't know yet, Glossier is now in stores at Sephora, and I had so much fun looking at all their products. I did pick up one of their eyeshadow palettes. This is called the Monochrome's Essential Eyeshadow Trio. These are $22 and they come in several color stories. I picked up the one called Mist. I'm on a lavender kick, you guys, but leave a comment down below if you want to see me review this eyeshadow palette, you guys. I'll probably use it in an upcoming video, but I actually love these little trios. They're not bad. But the product that I got from them is their Ultra Lip High Shine Lipstick with Hyaluronic Acid. Now this retails for $18. It comes in 9 shades. It's like a balm, but it has the sheen of a gloss, and you can build up the pigment. But I picked up the shade Portrait, and I thought it'd be perfect for summer and spring. It is just this vibrant coral color. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's very glossy, very hydrating, and the shine is really beautiful. Oh, and it feels so glossy on the lips. Isn't that a stunning summer, spring shade? It's just so vibrant. It feels so glossy and smooth without being greasy. You can build up the pigment. It's so pretty and so sheer. I just absolutely love the shade Portrait. And I think this look has turned out really, really pretty. But yeah, this is the final look. With all of these fun products that I purchased out of all of them, I mean, I can't say anything bad about any of these products. I've been religiously testing them out, making sure they work for our mature skin, and I'm quite frankly very, very impressed, especially with the Viseart Paris Love Letter eyeshadow palette. If you're looking for something that's great for every day, but also fun to play with different colors, the shimmers are sublime, the mattes are buttery, they're so easily blendable. It is a pricey eyeshadow palette, but I love the packaging, I love how compact it is, and this is super travel friendly. The formula is just bar none amazing, amazing. I had fun experimenting with color and finding these products worked really well for our mature skin. I hope you had fun today hanging out with me. I know I did. I just had a blast playing with all these colors and coming up with this vibrant spring look. But let me know down in the comments, what did you splurge on during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale? I would love to know, and let me know if I need to test out those products. But yes, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of our family. In case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.